around here.
See how it is? This pretty much explains why you're broke.
When did you come in?
Exactly right! The cost of feeding them is enough to keep our club finances in the red! I try to scrape together what I can, but my allowance is a joke, so you know.
Guess it can't be helped.
すきません。お昼休みなんかお腹ペッコペコでしょ。すきません。でも好きなものとか食べたくなるでしょ。何が好きなん